So you've made it to the top of the observatory.
And as you can see, it's beautiful. The sun is out. It's a beautiful day. If you come to Shirakawago, you have to see this. Like, it's in the village, just on the other side, much closer to where the buses are, the bus terminal. So it's kind of cool, chill. Jay and I are here. Jay, come say hi to the people.
Hi, people. All right, so it's a great view. When we got here, it was probably like a 2 o'clock. We got here like about 2 o'clock. As soon as you got here, there was a lady offering like picture services.
Yeah.
So you get a free photo or you get a oki size,
A bigger size.
a bigger size for like 1,500. You could do that if you want,
Yeah.
but the quality,
It's just a memorabilia.
right?
Something that you
That's
keep.
it.
Because the tiny ones you get for free, but you can't really see.
Can't see shit on it. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're enjoying the view. We're gonna check into another Gassho style house. What's the name of it?
Otaya.
Otaya.
Otaya. Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our stay here in Shirakawago.
That's right.
And of course, we're gonna find some more food.
Mhm.
Yes. All right, guys. That about sums up this video, my trip to Shirakawago. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys. Bye.
See ya.